Replacing an AC compressor in a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. That's the old compressor. That one, it's already bad. So we diagnostic the car need a new compressor. You can see it right there where the clutch is already damaged. So we replace entire compressor in this Volkswagen Atlas. So right now we are vacuuming it. So we are a professional AC company. So this is the equipment for YF. So a lot of people don't have the equipment. So this one will replace the brand new compressor. To replace the brand new compressor, you have to get under and replace this splash shield to get to it. So right now we have, this is the AC R124YF equipment. So if you don't vacuum the system, right now we vacuum it, so we're removing all the pressure. So in order to replace the compressor in this Volkswagen Atlas, you need a professional equipment. I don't know how people does replace a compressor and recharge it with the little O'Reilly or AutoZone can, but how you gonna remove the pressure? You have to remove the pressure. You have to vacuum. You gotta vacuum the system. You have to vacuum the system, remove all the pressure in the system before you recharge it. So you can call us. This is Cool Auto AC Service. We are located in Vacaville, California. You guys can visit us on Instagram, Cool Auto 2021, or you can go to our YouTube channel, Cool Auto AC Service. And then we can, if you have any question, you can call us 707-716-6366. If we can give you any advice or you need any service, you can call us. Thank you for watching our video.